I'm Phoebe. If you are a nature lover, you are in for a great treat. Today, I'm going to show you a very unique development, the Raintree, located right next to the Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Climbing Bukit Timah Hill has never been easier as your home is right at its doorstep. The Raintree is located in District 21 in Upper Bukit Timah. TOP'd in 2008, it has a total of 315 units, comprising of 2, 3, and 4 bedrooms. As we enter this lovely home, you will be greeted by a large space with a calming and stunning view of total serenity and tranquility, as this unit is nestled within the beautiful Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Sized at 1302 square feet, this beautiful and spacious unit comes with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, yard and utility room. This cozy, squarish living and dining space with a rare and unique unblocked nature reserve view allows you to comfortably relax and unwind after a hard day's work. This fully enclosed glass kitchen has a squarish functional layout and comes complete with full-height cabinets for storage, cooker and hob to whip up your delicious meals. Adjoining the kitchen, we have a good-sized yard and utility zone with its own bathroom and utility or storage room that can double up as a helper's room. This large space can also be creatively reorganized to include a wet kitchen if required. Walking down the hallway to the rooms, we have a big 2-door full-height storage cabinet opposite the first common bedroom. As you enter the first common bedroom, you will be greeted by the beautiful green forest and enjoy exclusive privacy that many crave for. This bedroom also comes with 3-door built-in wardrobe and air conditioning unit. This comfortable-sized common bathroom has an enclosed glass shower screen, wide panel mirror, and storage below the sink. This second large squarish common bedroom is super functional as it can easily and comfortably fit a king-size bed with bedside tables or a kid's bunk bed and still have plenty of space to move around. Naturally brightly lit, this master bedroom welcomes you with a resort feel as you overlook the nature reserve in its full splendor while enjoying absolute privacy. The ensuite master bathroom comes with a rain shower, panel glass mirror, and storage. We have come to the end of our home tour. I'm Phoebe. Call me now at 9186-2402 for an exclusive viewing to make this amazing unit yours. See you soon!